How's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about joining an array. So what we're gonna do now is go here, remove those, and const joined take as a constant, and numbers dot joined remove ed, it's not working though, and use comma log joined. So when we do that, it's become a string. When we join that, it's become a string, and when we pass an argument about that, it is between that string. We can check like type joined string. So there is a other thing called split, which is go hand in hand with this. So what we're gonna do is const something equals this is a message about something. So when we do that, and we're gonna go like const parts equals message dot split, and we need to pass an argument. What is the reason we wanna split? Yeah, like you can want to split from space, then this space will become a splitters, or we can use like pass an argument like every I will become a splitter. So what we're gonna do is pass an argument of space, and when we log it on a console, it is something, and when we log in on a console parts, it becomes a string. See, and we want to like we can join that again, this cons combined equals parts dot join, and pass an argument what you want to join. So I'm gonna pass this down slash, and what we're gonna do, log it out console combined. So what's gonna happen is it becomes a string. See, it's a string now, and you can, in the real world scenario, you can use as a URL, like like just I am showing you an example. Like you can see that subreddit, right? You see that title, click on that. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, see the title is props to design, and you can see there is a down slash in between those names, right? This is what we do when we use this kind of techniques. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.